Hey there, welcome back to Financially Well. Today we've got a topic that's going to ignite your motivation and transform your perspective on success. We're diving into the 6 secrets of rich and successful people. These are the principles that have propelled countless individuals to the pinnacle of wealth and accomplishment. But here's the catch. These secrets aren't just about money. They are about a mindset and an approach to life that can lead to true success. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you will be armed with invaluable knowledge to supercharge your journey to success. Before we get started though, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our life-changing content. Alright, let's jump in. Secret number 1, setting clear goals. Successful people aren't just drifting through life. They have a clear destination in mind. They set specific achievable goals. These goals act as roadmaps, guiding them towards their dreams. Think of your goals as a GPS. They keep you on track and motivated. Without them, you risk wandering aimlessly. So take some time today to define your goals, both short-term and long-term. Write them down, visualize them, and watch how your life begins to align with your aspirations. Now on to secret number 2, continuous learning. Rich and successful individuals are voracious learners. They never stop acquiring knowledge and skills. Whether it's reading books, taking courses, or seeking advice from experts, they understand that learning is the key to growth. Remember, the more you learn, the more valuable you become in your chosen field. So make learning a daily habit and watch your value soar. Secret number 3 is a game changer: discipline and consistency. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. Successful people know that it's not always about feeling motivated, it's about being disciplined even when motivation wanes. They establish routines and habits that support their goals and stick to them religiously. Consistency compounds over time, leading to extraordinary results. So ask yourself, what can I do every day to inch closer to my dreams? Start there, and you'll be amazed at the progress you make. Now let's unveil secret number 4, embracing failure. Failure is not the enemy, it's a stepping stone to success. Rich and successful people don't fear failure. They embrace it as a powerful teacher. Each setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, some of the world's greatest accomplishments arose from multiple failures. So don't let fear hold you back. Let it propel you forward. Secret number 5 is all about relationships. Building a strong network. Your network is your net worth. Successful individuals understand the value of building strong relationships. They surround themselves with like-minded, motivated people that support their journey. Networking isn't just about what others can do for you, it's also about what you can contribute to others. So start nurturing your network today. You never know how it might shape your future. And now the final secret. Secret number 6, giving back. Rich and successful people often share their success by giving back to their communities or causes they are passionate about. Giving not only makes a positive impact, but also brings fulfillment and purpose. Even if you're just starting on your path to success, find small ways to give back. It creates a positive cycle of abundance and gratitude that can lead to greater achievements. These 6 secrets are not just for the rich and famous. They are principles that anyone can apply to their life. So which of these secrets resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss our upcoming content. Remember that success is not a destination, it's a journey. These 6 secrets are your roadmap to that journey. Setting clear goals, continuous learning, discipline, embracing failure, building a strong network, and giving back. These are the keys to unlocking your potential. So go out there and start applying these principles in your life today. You've got the power to become rich and successful, and I can't wait to see you achieve your dreams. Until next time, stay financially savvy. We'll see you in the next video.